Well, hello again everybody, back onto the eBay bargain, excuse me, 50mm brass padlocks, the ones with the bird symbol on the side. The seller was selling batches of 3, keyed alike, better bitting than the first one I had, but £9 delivered for the 3. I know other people on the UK Lock Sport forum bought these, so I thought we'll give this a go, quick pick, and cut one of them open and see what they've actually got inside, because they seem a very competent lock, especially for the money. So number 1, and we've got a slight full set. Number 2, counter rotation. And that's set. Number 3, counter rotation, and that's set. Number 4, counter rotation, that's number 4 set. Number 5, counter rotation. That feels set. What have we lost? There's number 2 dropped. Counter rotation, and there we go. So that's the kitty. If you give me a few minutes, I shall take it into the other shed. I think we'll probably a couple of lines down here with the angle grinder, see if we can get the core out and see what's inside. So back in a few. Alright, back again after a couple of minutes with the angle grinder and a hacksaw. Funny enough, even after all my butchery, it still actually works. So let's see if we can get this off here. There we go, it's moving. But not quite enough. See if we can get that side. There we go. So that is that. I've never actually tried anything like this before, so I'm not sure how it's going to pan out. And there we go. The key still works, but I don't know if you can see there, we have a pin down in there. That's the pin that actually holds the core in. So it still doesn't seem to want to come out, but looking there, give me a minute, I'll try and take a bit off here, see if we can get that pin out, get the core out properly. Back in a sec. Right, hopefully, let's give this a bit of an oik. There we go, that's the pin out of the way. Let's see if we can get this core out now. There we go. So I think we're going to have to do this right. That looks like 5 and 4. A couple of springs, and that's a couple of spools. 3, There's another spool. Two. Another spool. And one is actually serrated. So stick those down here. All normal springs. And just very light serrations in number one. So there's the core. Let's check out what we've got in here. That one's standard, 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 standard. So coral looks normal. Let's have a close up of these pins. Adjust the light slightly. So you can see all the bottom are standards, but then we've got a serrated and 4 spools on the top. So everybody who's struggling to get into these, you know why now. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.